Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi Hakerdog Ying Jongpi.
Myntri Rangbah jong ke Jylla Konrad Konggel Sangma ha ke khan reu terik ubnai naitung arajar arpuai ula khot Nongïalam ya baro ki Nongïalam jong ki Seng Saiñpyrthei ki badan hapo kane ke Jylla Meghalaya naga benta ban yakren sani halor ki mat ki Bakongsan tam ki bakenthop dia ke jingwan yu kejat jong Myntri ketenat ki kampo yeng kari India Amit Shah nang tadi halor ka Saiñpyrthei ya ka Saubhagya scheme ka jingi penbet pot hapdeng ka Jylla Meghalaya bat ka Jylla Assam bat nalor ki wei de ki mat u presiden jong ka BJP uba Ernest Mauri habayakren bat ki lat pathai khubor u laong bahagani ka Nongïalam baro ki Nongïalam jong ki Seng Saiñpyrthei ki la ai la ki jong ki jing ai jingmut ya ki ba Myntri Rangbah ula kular scam ba un shimkhia kawai hadin kawai pan.
Discussion with the visit of the Honorable Home Minister, and we have discussed about the this Saubhagya scheme, and we have discussed with the social welfare and others important also. Now we have discussed, everyone has given their opinion, their view, and the chairman, the CM, has taken a note. So I think he will brief to the press also. That's all. I have view with that agenda which has given to us. Agenda number 1 regarding with the visit of the Home Minister. Then number 2 relating with this Saubhagya scheme and other thing with the MECL. Then number 3 with this boundary, interstate boundary dispute, and then social welfare. And others important. CM has clarified that he has already constituted the inquiry committee, and they have given the time frame 3 months to table all the thing in the public domain. Let us wait, since he has clarified today that he has constituted inquiry. So we will wait for an inquiry committee to report us within 3 months. No, that will live in the prerogative of the CM. We are not demanding anything. He has taken a note, and he will take all the note which we have given to him, and he will do it accordingly.
I'm happy to inform that the committee has already been constituted to study on these allegations. The allegations with the Saubhagya, the allegations on the food scam, and the boundary dispute. So, looking forward with the Chief Minister's visiting tomorrow. There's a meeting with the Chief Minister of Assam to discuss further and to solve this problem once and for all. So these are the major points that were discussed today. Always we have been discussed this from day one when we have formed the MDA. We have discussed this from day one, as I've mentioned just now. We have discussed also the same topic a few minutes back in the meeting. Well, let us wait for the outcome of the report. This is my submission. To say much at this point of time, because let the inquiry be completed and they will submit the report. And whoever involved, if found guilty, we have already discussed with the Chief Minister that a person should be punished and no one should be spared. So at this moment, I don't see anything of that kind of a situation. Let us wait for the report. Let us wait for the inquiry report, which we have already set up. The MDA has already set up the inquiry committee. So we'll wait on that. I would not like to comment anything on his removal.
The government has already put up the inquiry committee. I think that will have the answer, because you just cannot pinpoint at one man. When the scam in one department, that means the whole department it will have some kind of a failure. One minister cannot just eat the money. Come on, it will be all the officers who will be involved. You got my point. Okay. Last time we have seen education scam, right? The few officers were terminated. I think terminated, no? Suspended. So that way it will come to the light. So right now, not only what I want is that not only in this Sobagya, but other any failed department, any scam department should come into the this kind of inquiry. Yeah, smartphone for the school. I mean the children for the villages, and a good network for the villages at this juncture, because maximum of our children are facing the because of this networking, and then no smart iPhone. Regarding this particular, I think I have told you already that what do you call this one? Last time, last government, they have provided the tablet, no? So on that basis, I've asked him to provide at least smartphone to the class 9 and 10, and then he said that he will look into the matter, but because it's a big challenge actually, even for the government also.
Natharai kabuhatam kalong ba pinyakran baik baru siam mendalami mentah nama lagi nakaliang ki member ki bedan hapo ka kani ka jingkhat ke jong siam ilayo pinyakran sibon ki isu khamtam ki ba yadai bat kani ka jingi kenduk lang ilayo kran nakaliang jong ula pensai yang ina mentah bedai ba kani sebagai haro tambah ka bahaba pinyakran badung natharai kan khamba nakaliang jungi ki member ki bay don lang kami tinggal ada pendidik tahu ada pendidik sengau tengah syong mata siam dengan kamu semua orang kata kata yang biang ni pada ni em nomor kani kami tangga bagi khot mentah lakut no ina hape kenduk biang ina kenduk baik ya kani kerja kenduk haban khot baik nak kawai ke por bat ni kalian ke jongi ke member ki ke bay don lang tu borok dia ke ke proposal ke lomba manu benai haban khot kani kerja kenduk kenang bagan jingai baik ya nanti juga sarkar.
It is not a party of only we as a community, but as a whole we are talking about the development of the state, how we go ahead, like what song brings about. It's high time that we try to see at least tourism also. This is the discussion because I said it's high time also, no? That at least the economy should.
Very satisfied. We have deliberated a lot of issues regarding the important issues of the people of our state. Okay. So, actually regarding that change of portfolio, we had a collective, discussion among all the parties. But since the government had already put in place the inquiry, everything will be looked into. As alleged, irregularities, mismanagement, the committee will give us all information, but there is no discussion to remove. Report of the committee will come out, and we will look into that report.